Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, let's talk about the Earth Rhythm Propolis Cleansing Balm. I make a lot of skincare reviews and makeup reviews as well, so if you're interested, then please make sure you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So before we begin, just a quick disclaimer that this product was sent to me by Earth Rhythm to review, but this video is not sponsored by them. Earth Rhythm had an older formula of this cleansing balm and it is priced at 795 rupees for 100 grams of quantity, and they are still selling this on their website for the same price. The newer formula is priced at 585 and the quantity is 60 grams. The older formula used to come in a steel tin sort of container, and the newer packaging they have improved it and it now comes in a glass jar. The texture of this cleansing balm is very thick. Once you apply it on the skin, it spreads easily and it melts off very easily on the skin. Once it comes in contact with water, it emulsifies and it does not leave any sort of oily residue behind. This is the complete ingredient list of this product. Jojoba oil and castor oil are one of the key ingredients of this, and they have also added salicylic acid in this formulation. This entire formulation is fragrance free. It also contains propolis, which is mentioned in the name of this cleansing balm. It is known for its healing and soothing properties. It also contains benzyl alcohol and sorbic acid as preservatives in this product. Usually whenever I do any skincare review, I always check the product claims and I compare the claims that they have made with my overall experience of using the product. But with Earth Rhythm, they haven't mentioned any sort of claims on their website, and even on the product packaging there are no claims. So I'm just going to share my experience of using this product. The texture of this cleansing balm is thick, but once you apply it on the face, it spreads very easily and it emulsifies as well. Once it comes in contact with water, it emulsifies and it doesn't leave any oily residue behind. It contains jojoba oil and castor oil as the primary ingredients, as those makeup removal ingredients. These are thick oils, but still it doesn't leave any sort of residue behind on the skin, and it also removes the makeup very nicely. It also removes even the most waterproof eye makeup easily from the eyes. After using this cleansing balm, the skin feels a little bit more brighter because it also contains salicylic acid. Now salicylic acid can be mildly exfoliating, very gently exfoliating on the skin. On the website they haven't mentioned salicylic acid as one of the ingredient in the ingredient list, but on the product packaging it is mentioned, so it definitely does contain salicylic acid. So this cleansing balm also can be mildly exfoliating. Now if your skin is sensitive, you can still use it because the entire formula is fragrance free. They haven't added any sort of fragrance. There are very few good cleansing balms that are fragrance free in India, made in India. So this is one of those good cleansing balms. The only problem is if you have sensitive eyes, it might sting the eye if the cleansing balm, any residue gets inside the eye. They have mentioned this even on the product packaging under precautions, that it might sting the eye for some sensitive eyes. Because of the presence of salicylic acid in it. Otherwise, if you don't have sensitive eyes, then you can try this product. It's a good cleansing balm. Overall, I really love this cleansing balm. It removes all sorts of makeup quite easily. The only thing is, I wish they would change their formulation a little bit so that it doesn't sting the eye. But otherwise, if considering all other aspects of this cleansing balm, it does a really good job. And I like that they changed their packaging to a glass jar. That would add much more to the shelf life of this product. So that is another good thing. So that is all from my overall review of the Earth Rhythm cleansing balm. I hope you found this review to be useful. And if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.